In this video, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about logarithms and the concepts of logarithms. So first of all, let's look at how logarithms can be written as. So your a is your base, your x is your power, and your y is your argument. You need to know that log without the o equals to log with the base of 10. You also have to know that when the base and the argument are the same, it equals to 1. And when the argument equals to 1, it gives you 0. Now I won't be talking about ln too much in this video, but you should know that ln equals to the logarithm with the base of exponential. This is also called natural logarithms. So now that we have the basic ideas, we can look at the logarithm rules, and we have 5 of them. I'm going to discuss 5 rules today. So our first rule is the logarithmic product rule. This rule states that you could split xy into log ax plus log ay. Our second rule is the logarithmic quotient rule, and it says that you could split x over y into log ax minus log ay. Our third rule is the logarithmic power rule. So log ax power n could be written as n log ax. You just bring n down. Our fourth rule is the logarithmic change of base. So log ab equals to log cb over log ca. C is whatever base you want to put, and this would relate to the fifth rule, which is the logarithmic switching of base. So log AB could also be written as log BB over log BA. Your B acts as your C in the fourth rule. So we know that when the base and the argument are the same, it equals to 1. So that would be 1 over log BA. Now let's try some questions involving logarithms. So the question is, simplify log 2 5 plus log 2 1.6. So I'm going to use the product rule. So that would be 5 multiplied with 1.6, and that would give me a log 2 8. So you could also write 8 with the base of 2, so that would be 2 power 3. Now using the power rule, you could bring 3 to the front, and log 2 would equals to 1, so 3 times 1 equals to 3. Now let's try another question. So our question is, simplify log a 36 plus 1 over 2 log a 256 minus 2 log a 48. Using the power rule, I'm going to bring 1 over 2 on top of 256 and 2 on top of 48, so that's log a 48 square. So plus log a the square of 256 is 16 minus 48 square is 2304. So now using the combination of product rule and quotient rule, I'm going to combine the logs all together. So that is 36 multiplied by 16 minus log a 2304. Now I'm going to use the quotient rule, and that would be 36 multiplied by 16 over 2304, and that would be log a 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 could also be written as 1 over 2 square. And now I'm going to change it into indices form. Using the power rule, I'm going to bring negative 2 to the front, so that's negative 2 log a 2.